What's up guys, this is my second channel where I post my non-automotive related content. Today we're going to be going over the home gym that I built during COVID. We went ahead and canceled our gym memberships around that time and just invested a bunch of money into our own equipment. And unfortunately I have to take it all apart, and I'm going to tell you why. And it's because this little dude right here, he is growing fast. He's 3 months and we have to take this thing apart and get him his own room. We are going to move this into another spot in the house. It's a little bit smaller, so I don't think it'll be as spacious as this is. And that's spacious, quote unquote. We're pretty much using every square inch of this thing. And one of my favorite things that we did, because we fully committed to this, was we got two 6 by 7 foot pieces of glass, brought upstairs and glued down. So these were professionally installed. Now, honestly, I don't even know what I'm going to do with those or how I'm going to take them off, but that's a problem for another day. Right now, let's just go over the equipment we bought and go over why we decided to purchase it. So this rack right here is basically the rack for the wife's yoga stuff and some of her bands that she likes to use. So that was pretty easy to install, just a couple of screws. And right here is Frey's 5 to 50 dumbbell set. I did have to move a few around just so that they fit on the rack nicely. If you go from 5 to 50 in order, the last row just gets wrecked. So you can see how that's a little crooked. And this is just the best way I could get it. You do have to get the rack separate from the weights, but it is what it is, I guess. So this is the standard ab machine for the floor. Nothing too special about that. Moving on, we've got a NordicTrack Z1300i treadmill. And I positioned it this way, that way we can flip it up out of the way when we're using the Marcy Smith machine. So we'll go over that in just a second. But right here, I wanted to showcase the Mark X leg machine. This thing is really cool, really adjustable, and you could add a ton of weight if you're up for it. And right here, I ended up just putting a wall-mounted TV and a cabinet. So the cabinet is gonna have a bunch of random accessories and stuff. And this is a spot for our shoes. So we got her shoes, my shoes. We squeezed in an adjustable calf stand in this little area, and along with that is a Renpho scale. I like that because you get to use the app and just keep track of different things. So right here we got a Chirp Wheel Set, and I put that on the storage rack for the weights on this machine, but we've only got one set and we're currently putting them on the Marcy Smith machine, so I ended up just storing those right there. Right here we've got a Zen Sports adjustable platform and a curl bar with some Frey weights. Now these are the weights for like a CrossFit style, but we are upstairs and I didn't want anyone dropping iron plates on the second story, so we just got the CrossFit style and they've ended up working really well. This bench is like super versatile. You could take this off and then you can adjust the bottom. You could set this up higher for incline, you could set it down for decline. And it's got some wheels, so you can just lift it up and just roll it out the way. And just like that, we got that out of the way. Now this beast is the Marcy Smith SM-4033, and it comes with all kinds of stuff. So for one, you've got this thing right here where you can put an Olympic bar and do exercises with that. This is adjustable to put in any slot for dips, and you could take them off. So aside from that, you've got these plates that also come with it, and that's basically for just racking an Olympic bar, and you can do that, you know, for squats, or you can use the assisted machine to do some squats as well. And the back has a bunch of different spots for that thing to lock into, and it's got these adjustable limiters with some springs in case you drop it. Moving on, we got the Frey set. So I mentioned before, we got the CrossFit style, that's rubber. This thing is going to be the 10s, 15s, 25s, 35s, and 45s in pairs. And we had to order a bunch of small things like this just to make the gym complete. All that stuff was nickel and diming us, but it added up to a really nice home gym setup. Anyways, enough with the rambling. We've got the butterfly press back there. That thing is a game changer. I really like it. And it's way easier when you got this thing rolled up and you can just sit down and get nice and comfy and sit there for a while you get your reps in. And we've got the pull-up bar, and yes, it looks really close, but you can actually use it for the most part without worrying about anything. And I do have a bunch of clearance from the fan, so surprisingly enough, that thing is useful. It's not really just sitting there being unused. Last but not least, we have the adjustable cables. These things are awesome. They slide up and down this track that's solely meant for them. and you can latch on all the accessories that we bought for this thing just to use it for different exercises throughout your workout. And oh yeah, how can I forget? We've got this thing right here to do rows, and we've got this guy right here just to sit down with some cushion and pull back. So that's really useful too when you're doing a nice back workout. Well, all right guys, that's pretty much our whole home gym in a nutshell. I'm kind of bummed out that I have to take it apart and move it to another room in the house, but hey, it is what it is, and we did sign up for it when we had that beautiful baby. Anyways, let me know if you want to see that video of us moving it to the next room, and if it's something that you're interested in and you want to see, drop a comment below, let me know. I'll make a video. If not, appreciate you guys watching this much, and I'll see you on the next one.